Hello my friend, as you see, got a deal here in the Euro USD. We enter it Friday. Today is Friday afternoon, when the market is near to close. We enter from here, we put the stop here, we enter as I show you, and we put the target here. And as you see, because that cross here and the RSI cross 55 up, so also we enter it today Friday. Also we don't care, no matter when it came to us a signal to enter, we enter. And I put the target here 1 to 2 because Friday, you know, there is not a lot of volatility. So, and I support to put the stop loss here, but I don't put it here because the money management, because you always put in the risk 1% till 2% of your capital, nothing more. So is that the trading and that the strategy? I show you. If it hit the target, we don't care. If it hit the stop, we don't care. Us, our strategy is down, and as you see here, got a support, and here another one. But us, we don't care about support or resistance or nothing, because that market, it's proved to me, it doesn't respect nothing. It doesn't respect no support, no resistance, no nothing. That market would respect always to put the ratio 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 and leave it. Don't care about it. Because as if you're gambling, you need the time you win, it needs to be more than the time you lose. That's it. The ratio, I'm talking about the ratio, not a strategy. For the video, don't be too long. See you soon. As you see, my friend, I came back to you. That 1 hour candle is near to finish. Now we are winning 50% from the trade. But also we don't care. As I told you, never and ever close a trade when it doesn't hit the stop or the target. Leave it. And as you see here, that's how we trade. We set a stop on the target and we forget about it. And as I told you, today is Friday. There is not a lot of volatility in the market. So maybe that one is going to be long till Monday or Tuesday. But that's it, we don't care. When our strategy gives us to enter, we enter. I think everything is very clear. And I will put more videos to the strategy. I will show you the time when it hitting the stop and the time when it hitting the target, for you to have a very good knowledge about the strategy, how it's working, what you need, everything. So I think everything is very clear now. I told you, and I mentioned it before, you don't care. Also, we don't read the news. I don't care, because me, I've been in that market for 20 years and I know it very well. That market doesn't respect nothing. It might be going to go to doing fundamental analysis and it doesn't respect them. If you do, no matter what, it doesn't respect them. The only things it's being proven to me, it's the money management. And the ratio, it needs to be always 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and forget about it. Set it and forget about it. As you see, the loss is 22 and the target is $44. So now there is no volatility in that market. And I think better to just watch. That's what me, I tell my student, just open a demo account and start looking at your trade. That's me, I told you, me I show you live trade. No one can show it to you with live results. And I think it's being proven and I've been working by this strategy for a while now. It's been giving me very good results. I don't watch any news, I don't watch Bloomberg, I don't watch NBC, don't pay any extra fees to get Bloomberg platform, nothing. And it's not only here. When I trade an option, the same story. I trade in the stocks, same story, because me, I'm an option trader. Set 50%, 25% forex and 25% stocks. And 10%, it said 10% cryptocurrencies. That meant 20 forex, 20 stocks. But my main income, it came from the option. And me, I'm living from trading. I don't got any other income source. That's who I am. That's who I am, my friend. Let me hope you enjoyed the course. And I think I will leave you till Sunday by night when the market is going to open, because now it's Friday and the market is near to close, and that candle now is closed, as you see. So see you in Sunday by night, and let me leave you with that. Now we came back, my friend. Now it's Sunday, the market is just open, and you see where we left it. As you saw it, now it's Sunday. And I'll show you the time now. It's 1:51 because the broker is plus 3 hours GMT. So depending on your time and you where you watching me, as I told you, also we don't go out, forget about it. And the deal is still going. Told is going to hit one of two, stop or the target, we don't care. That's what me I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you to put a target and a stop and to forget about it. You can control your emotion, just close the broker and leave it, forget about it, do something else. And that's what me I do. I opened it in Friday, Saturday and now it's Sunday, and as you see the deal is still going. But also we don't care, it needs to close one, that's it. Going to game someone, he will tell me, oh, you are in profit, you need to close it. No, if you close it you're going to lose because it's going to hit the stop once. That's how we trade. I think everything is very easy now, nothing to be complicated here. You in the first just open the broker like that and watch it. As you see, the price do a high, came to low, and now it's going to do another high here. If he broke that other high, and he will hit our target 100%. But there is nothing 100% in that market. I will do the FIBO here to show you. You bring from the up of that high to the low, and where is 161? At the second high, where the market it will go. So easy here, as I show you. But also put the target of the net. And for the video, don't be too long. If anything happen, my friend, I will put it to you. See you soon. Bye bye. As you see, my friend, now is Monday. Is it morning now? And what I told you yesterday, you see what the price did here. He made that high, he came, he broke it, and he came down. But us, we still, because that 2 moving average didn't cross. Sorry about that error here, because the way doesn't want to work. Sorry about that. Alright, I refuse to work. Anyway, let's continue without it. So you see the target is now, and also we still with it going up. But as I told you, it's need to hit one of two, up or down. And me try to show you here, the trend is still going up, and the 2 moving averages, they haven't crossed each other. So that man also still short, market is going up. I'm sorry about that madness of that program, that pain, but it's okay. Anyway, for the video, don't be very long. I think it will not working. Anyway, for the video, don't be too long. If anything happen, I will put it to you, my friend. See you soon. I came back, my friend. Now is Monday. As you see, the deal is near to hit our target. So, let me see if that one is going to work now. Sorry about that. You know, the laptops, sometimes they get in crashed. Anyway, also we don't care. Doesn't have nothing to do to our trade. So we put the stop, we put the target, and I think everyone here know what I mean. So as you see, also talking is near to hit our target. As you see it, it would be, as you see it, 1, 2, 3, it closed. You see, my friend, that's how we trade. You always put it and forget about it. I think that video is finished. See you in another one. Bye bye.